Had to be done. Let's set sail for the setting sun, shall we? Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Well, if ever I should timber, if you should cut me down, my lake. I'll keep it warm by the fire. I know some of y'all gonna be asking, well, can he fish in that lake? I'll check into it, okay? I'll check into it. The signal is going kind of bad here. Should be okay for video. Okay, first kayaking of the season, all right. I just wanted to shoot this. Yeah, we're hazy here because of the smoke. I know everybody all over the country watching this will know what I'm talking about. A little bit of sunset for you there. Got some local geese just passing right by there. There they go. Some local geese. Sure that I can't see nothing on the screen because, you know, these new eyeballs that I got. Yeah, there's the some of the burning that I was doing yesterday's video. Over yonder that way. I don't want to show too much, okay? Somewhere in between Alaska and Texas, right? I'm Dead Wolf. We'll have a lot more of this kind of fun on the next one. Yeah. I got to get my energy back and start doing things again, you know? Okay, y'all take care out there. Thanks for being there.